What's up with it, YouTube? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and I got my little guy here, Aiden, my stepson. Say what's up. We're gonna teach you how to make money online using ClickBank and how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, for beginners, this is one of the best sites going. It's been going forever. ClickBank.com. Okay, you guys. So I want to get kind of in depth on how to make money with this. So if you don't have a ClickBank account, definitely got to make you one. Um, and then once you get signed up and logged in, you're going to come to a page. The beginning page, just want to click up here at the top and it says Marketplace. Okay, once you click Marketplace, it'll bring you to a place right here. On the left hand side, these are different niches that you could use potentially to make money. Okay, now, health, fitness, make money online opportunities, sometimes gaming, and like adult dating and things like that are really, really, really popular in this niche, in this industry. So I'm gonna go with health and fitness right now. Okay. And so what you're looking for is something that has a pretty decent price point. Okay. And the best part about this is the people on the other side take care of all the work. So the only thing you have to do is drive traffic, and I will show you, kind of go over how that's done. All right. So I'm just gonna go down here. I'm gonna go to lean, belly breakthrough. All right. So you get about an average of $38 per sale, and mind you, you didn't pay a dime to get in this, so it's great. All right. So after that, okay, you want to click on the actual link to see what it is that you're going to be promoting. Okay, so I already have it over here. So this is what the capture page looks like. Looks really, really good. It's eye-catching. Some of them can be really dull and cheesy looking. So you want to make something that get something that pops, that looks good. Has the arrows, has the colors, the video right there. They have to watch the video, and then the cart will pop up here. Okay, and so this is a really good video. So after you do that, you want to come back here and you want to say, okay, I want to promote this one. So you'll click promote. You'll get a long, ugly link here. Ugly link. So you click create. It'll give you this long, ugly link. But we don't worry about the ugly link because we can go to bit.ly.com and make a link. So I already made one. So you would just simply paste it in there. You can get you a link if you want to customize your link like this, where it says weight loss fast 30 days, or you can, kind of create your own thing. You can do that, but you have to make a page. It's free. So you just copy that link. Bingo, you have your product. Now, the mistake that people make is driving traffic straight to this offer. Since it's a lot of people promoting this offer, first off, it's going to have the same page. So, some people who already saw it, they're going to be like, I don't want a part of it, or it's just you're going to miss out on that lead if they don't buy right then and there. So you want to have a capture page, okay? A capture page looks like this. This is an old one of mine that I haven't used since about 2014. So, learn how, blah, 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 blah. Okay? And it looks like this, huh? Oh, you like that? Yeah, so it has a video, and then it captures their name and their email. Okay. So the point of capturing that is so if they don't buy, you can follow up with them later. That's the whole point of it. All right. So if you don't know how to get a capture page, you can go to a page called leadcapturepageboss.com. This is free, free, free. All right. And you can make capture pages for free, really high converting ones. They also have their own autoresponder in here, as well as some other things that you guys can go over once you sign up. You can only do 1,000 leads a month on a free account. They do have an upgraded account for $20 a month where you can do 5,000 emails, but I think 1,000 emails for beginners is perfect. Okay, so after you get your capture page, okay, you can actually customize them because some of these look really, really cheesy. So I customized my own. Okay, and you can watch videos on how to do that. Okay, but after that, you have your capture page and you have your product. So now once they go to your capture page, they'll get straight to your product. That's perfect. The next thing that you want to do, which is very important, is you want to go to Instagram. You want to type in fitness, okay? You want to type in fitness. And then after that, So let's say I just click on this one. This is the same guy I was just on, but I click on him, and then you want to contact these people, okay? And you want to say, hey, how much do you charge for promotion, or do you charge for promotion? A lot of top people charge for promotion anywhere between $50 to $250. But I say, starting out, find someone who pays around 50 to $60 for you to put your link right here. Okay, and they'll let about how many hours or how much time you can have your link there. I say do 12 hours. But after you put your link there, then they'll allow you to make a post. So you can either make a video or you can do a text. Now, if you do text, make sure you put something along the lines of what it has on here. Okay, 2-minute ritual, to lose 1 pound in 72 hours, something like that. And then make sure you click the link in the bio. If you do a video, kind of say whatever you want, or if you find another video, use that. All right, so now once they watch this, they'll click the link in the bio. It'll send them to your capture page, which will look like this, and then straight to your offer, which looks like this. They buy, you get paid, okay? Simple as that. Very, very simple. So there's so many different strategies that you guys can do with this. I mean, I know so many crazy strategies, all right? One, you can do, of course, YouTube marketing, which is really good because it's passive income. But if you don't know how to do YouTube and it's you want to learn, I have courses on that, okay, in the description below to teach you exactly what to do on YouTube. But below this video is a ClickBank University course. Now, you can partake in it if you want to, or you don't have to. If this is enough for you, you feel free to leave the video and go get started. If you want to know how to maximize everything and actually get, tons and tons of traffic, this is what you want to listen to, okay? So below this video is a ClickBank University course, okay? It is an 8-week training course. I have this wrote out, okay? It's an 8-week training course, showing you everything you need to do. And these are guys who made, I think, over $1 million in sales with ClickBank. So, they're top affiliates. They came up with the ClickBank University course, and they're giving it out to the members. And so I want you guys to be a part of it if you're serious. It's $47, okay? It's an 8-week training. They interview millionaires like Gary Vaynerchuk. If you know who Gary Vee is, he's an influencer, huge influencer online. Look him up on YouTube, anywhere. And he's giving advice, on, how to, get more conversions and things like that, or what to do better in your business. They also have unlimited courses besides the 8 weeks training. They have unlimited courses that's going to be there, and they're going to be updating them in the future as well. Things like how to become an influencer online, how to drive massive traffic, like so much stuff that you're going to get for the $47. And it's all ClickBank oriented. Okay, so it's teaching you and showing you step by step exactly what to do. So if that's something you're interested in, that's in the description below this video. Okay, you guys, go ahead and partake in that. And once you do, as a bonus, I will give you one of my Facebook trainings as well for doing that. Okay, so if that's something you want to do, go ahead and do that. If you guys are just looking to make some extra money, I have, different methods of ways that I make money online. And if you're just looking for training or different courses, I have courses below this video, all of that good stuff. So if you just need help, you just need to contact me about anything, let me know, and I will help you as much as I can. So go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you, and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.